Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to share my top 5 favorite products under rupees 250. Now I have used these products personally and I love them, and it comes under rupees 250, so it is affordable. They are not cheap. They are of good quality and from good brands. So if you guys are interested to know what are the top 5 products I would recommend under rupees 250, then please keep on watching. Alright, let's start with the lipstick, because who does not love lipstick, right? And let's start with the one I am wearing. So the first thing under rupees 250 is the Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipsticks. Now yes, these retails for rupees thoda zyada, but they recently came up with their minis which retails for rupees 239 only, and the formula of this is just amazing. I love it. It is very matte, comfortable, and it stays for really long. I do have a separate video, like a review video on these and swatches, so you can definitely click on this link and check it out. Now I love this, so I would highly recommend this to you. The shade I'm wearing is 11 Jane. It is a beautiful shade. You can definitely go for this if you want a nude shade, or you can try Mona Lisa as well. Alright, let's move on to the next product which I'm also wearing today, and that is the liner. Now I know it is looking super black, super matte, and so precise, right? The one I'm wearing is Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. I love this. I mean, the pigmentation is just bang on. It is opaque and the applicator is again very precise. So you can go with a thin line or a thick line, whatever you like. It stays really long and it is super matte. So if you are somebody who loves matte pigmented liners, just check out this one. So this one retails for rupees 250, but you can always get this in offer. Alright, the next product I have is something I think everybody owns and everybody loves, but still if you're missing it out, I think you should definitely try this one out, and that is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now they have tons of shades. My shade is 230 and also sometimes I use 310. Both of them matches me perfectly. This actually gives that medium light matte finish, which I absolutely love. It is very comfortable and it stays for really long. So it is definitely recommended. If you haven't tried it yet, just go for it. Next, let's talk about one eyeshadow. Why not, right? So the one I have is the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. This is the ultimate eyeshadow palette. I love this. The pigmentation of this is just beautiful. I have tried it so many times. Love the pigmentation. It blends really well. They also have color options, which is amazing. Now the one I have is 04. I also have a review of this on my channel, so definitely do check it out. The pigmentation is just so good. Love it. And yeah, the price of this is rupees 229, but you can always get offer on Nykaa. They have tons of shades to choose from, so go ahead and grab this because it is very travel friendly and beginners friendly, also makeup artist friendly, so why not give this one a try. Alright, it's time for the last one, and it is the Cover Pots by Cuffs and Lashes. I love them. I mean, they are just super amazing. They have, I think, 15 to 18 shades. The 3 shades are color correctors. Other than that, they have amazing shade range, amazing quality, amazing product. I have a review of this, like a dedicated review video that I will mention it right here, and I also have a wet test of this. Loved it. You do know that I have oily skin, but this worked for me amazingly, and also the coverage is just super amazing, and the finish it gives is just like your skin, and I love it. And also guys, you can use my code SOHINI10 on Cuffs and Lashes products and you will get 10% off, and I think it's a great offer. You can use my code on Cuffs and Lashes products and also 20 something products and you will get 10% off. With that, I complete this video and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know if you have ever tried any of the products or you are willing to try any of the products I have shown in this video, write it in the comment section below. And also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel, and ask your friends and family to subscribe to my channel if they haven't already. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I will mention the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah.